Viking Pump has been leading the way in critical application pumps for over 110 years, and one of the most difficult yet essential applications is crude oil pipeline injection. In 2017, Viking Pump came on the pipeline injection scene with the GP 425 series external gear pump, specifically designed for the rigorous pressures and flow rates required, and took the oil and gas industry by storm. But we never stopped researching, never stopped designing, never stopped testing. And all of that work has led to this, the new rebuildable GB 425 series. This upgraded pipeline injection pump gives you serious advantages over other pump technologies and designs. Internal components have been upgraded with an extremely durable coating, protecting against abrasives and improving pump life. And the rebuildable design gives you the power to have kits on hand and repair a pump when required, which reduces downtime and saves you the cost of an entire new pump. But how did we get here? Real customers gave us real feedback, and we listened. We've been in business so long because we never shy away from opportunities to improve our products and deliver for our customers in the best ways. Bring flexibility, durability, and control back to your pipeline injection process with Viking Pump's GB 425 series external gear pump. Visit our website to learn more.